Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learning. ಮಾತಿರಿಗ್ಲ ಎನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ Easy Tulu Learning ಸ್ವಾಗತ. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about all my new videos. And this is my Instagram handle. Do follow it and share your views with me. Let's start with the video. In today's video, I have thought of sharing story of Bappanadu Sri Durga Parameshwari temple. Mostly people from Karnataka may be knowing it, but from outside Karnataka, everyone may not be familiar, so thought of sharing it. All the informations provided in this video I have collected from different resources. Let's start. Location of the temple. It is situated in the Bappanadu village of Mulki town on the banks of Shambhavi river. What is so unique about the temple? That it is 800-year-old temple in Karnataka, believed to be built by a Muslim merchant, Bappa Beri. Let's look into the mythological story behind building this temple. Once there was a demon named Darigasura who used to rule a place known as Shonitapura. He had enmity with Lord Vishnu and other Devtas. To defeat them, he used to worship Lord Brahma and received a boon by which he defeated Lord Vishnu and other Devtas. Also took away ammunitions of Lord Vishnu. Ammunitions means the weapons which Lord Vishnu had. He gave those ammunitions to his wife to keep it safely. Seeing Lord Vishnu unhappy, Goddess Durga appeared in form of Sapta Durga, like 7 forms of the goddess, and promised to kill the demon. So further, goddess along with another deity called Guliga went to Shonitapura to kill the demon. Bhagavati, one of the form of goddess Durga, appeared in front of the demon while he was on the way to river for bathing. In disguised form of an old woman, begged for food to him. Darigasura asked her to go in his palace and ask for food from his wife. Also told her if his wife refuses to give, let him know. Goddess Bhagavati went to his palace and asked his wife to hand over ammunitions of Lord Vishnu, which she refused to give. Goddess Bhagavati wrongly informed the demon that his wife refused to give her food. Hearing it, demon told his wife to give old woman whatever she wished for. By this order, Darikasura's wife gave ammunitions to Goddess Bhagavati. As the demon learnt about this betrayal, he became angry and declared war against Sapta Durgas and attacked them. He defeated deity Guliga in the war, but later on he was defeated by Sapta Durgas. To protect himself, he ran away, while Goddess Bhagavati took form of Bhadrakali and went in his search. One evening, while Darigasura came for offering puja to Lord Shiva, Goddess found him and killed him. All the goddesses, along with deity Guliga, went to Lord Vishnu and returned his ammunitions. Also asked for a boat made of sandalwood to travel from heaven to earth for settling down on earth for goodness of her devotees. Then they started their journey with the boat crossing different parts of southern coast of India. Each goddess stopped and wished to settle in particular place, whereas Goddess Durga Parameshwari emerged symbolically in conjunction point of Shambhavi and Nandini river in Mulki. Later, Bappa Beri, a Muslim merchant, while travelling through Shambhavi river for trade purpose, when reached near Mulki, his boat stopped in mid-river, having hitting an obstacle. The obstacle was found out to be 5 lingas. Suddenly river water turned blood red. This feared him, and immediately he did his namaz and slept on the boat. He could hear a divine voice. Goddess appeared in his dream and asked him to build a temple for her. With the help of Jain ruler Mulki Savanta, Bappa Beri built the temple, also settled down nearby in Mulki. In his honor, the area came to be known as Bappanadu. Let's look into some temple insights. Here main deity is in the form of linga, symbolic statue. Also, special feature of this temple is Muslims are eligible to accept prasadas and blessings during Rathotsava, an annual festival of temple. Even today, the prasadas of the festival is first given to the house of Bappa Beri, and Muslims also equally participate in the temple festival. The temple is also famous for its Bappanadu Dhol, a large musical drum featured at the entrance of the temple. So this temple gives us an example of equality and communal harmony. I will try to bring different stories of different Tulunadu temples in the same way. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please click the like button. Do share it with your family and friends. I will meet you at next video. Till then, take care of yourself and a very happy new year to all of you. Bye bye.